Another useful method from the array object is the includes method, which will return true or false whenever we want to know if something belongs to my array. For instance, let's say I have that same example with fruits apple, banana, and cherry, and I want to know if banana is part of my array. So I could write something like this, create a variable has banana where I check includes banana. And then I can console log has banana and just print the variable has banana. So from my array fruits, I just call the method includes and I give what is the search element that I want to look for. In this case, I'm looking for banana. If I save, you can see has banana true because I do have that. Let's say I want to look for another one, so same thing, I want to look for orange, so has orange fruits dot includes orange, and then console log has orange. And if I save that, you can see false because I do not have orange inside my array. However, you just need to be careful because this function is case sensitive. So let's say I want to do the same thing for cherry, and I'm looking for includes cherry, which I do have here. But if I log has cherry, if I save that, you can see has cherry false. That's because my array has cherry but with capital C, and I'm searching for cherry with lowercase c, which the result is going to be false. I need to make sure that I include that as an uppercase, so if I save, I do have this as an as true because I do have included cherry with capital C. So includes is really useful whenever we are making a search inside an array, but that only works for primitive data like string or numbers. But if I have something more complex like objects, then filter is going to be the way to go.